much-wanted turbine-style wheel has at last landed for the Tesla Model 3, and at a sensible cost to boot. Ben Sullins of information-centered YouTube channel Teslanomics as of late included what must be depicted as the ideal supplement to his dark Tesla Model 3 to 20. Turbine wheels in metallic gray. For setting, Tesla does not offer turbine wheels for the Model 3. At the point when the California-based electric auto creator opened the ways to its Model 3 online configurator, reservation holders were just given two wheel alternatives for the vehicle: the standard 18-inch Aero wheels and the 19-game wheels. The Aero wheels, much the same as the Model S a couple of years back, spellbound the Tesla people group because of their appearance and plan. Tesla's 19-game wheels, while stylishly appealing, were on the expensive side. As featured in Ben's video, the 20-turbine wheels appear to supplement the Model 3's ride stature obviously better than the official wheel choices for the mass-market electric minimized car. The 20 wheels, which are being offered by secondary selling wheel distributor, Wheel Direct, are more moderate than Tesla's 18. What's more, 19 wheel alternatives and in addition contributions by other resellers exchange producers, beginning at only $1,195 for the whole arrangement of 4. As observed on Wheel Direct's Contact Us page, the organization was established by a gathering of Tesla proprietors with an objective to convey reasonableness and incentive to the valuing of turbine-style wheels. Ben takes note of that the post-retail wheel organization could offer the Model 3 turbine wheels at a sensibly bring down cost over different sellers as a result of their immediate associations with industrial facilities abroad that are creating the wheels. Wheel Direct has two designs accessible for the Model 3 turbine wheels. There's a 19 adaptation for $1,195 and a 20 variation for $100 more. The wheels are accessible in 3 unique hues: satin, onyx, black, brilliant silver, and metallic gray. They're likewise completely good with the manufacturing plant TPMS sensors and fasteners as of now on the auto display. 3 proprietors intrigued by getting the resellers exchange wheels for their autos can look at the wheels at evwheeldirect.com, who's additionally offering free overall transportation. Each buy is secured by a 5-year workmanship warranty and a lifetime structural warranty.